Hi, my friend Custom Cruise here. Okay, we put a new quad seal on here. Okay, it's got this quad seal like a square shape. This base is going to stop your Harley oil coming out of your box. Okay, this is then going to go on next, and that is basically trapped in that groove. Okay, so as you can see, this will basically stop any oil coming out. That's the seal. Okay, we then are going to put this seal on here. Okay, and then we're going to put the pulley on, the nut on. But basically we just changed the little seal in here, your 5th gear output shaft seal. Okay, that stops your, obviously, your tranny oil coming out. This one here obviously stops any oil coming out around the big case. There's 2 different shafts. This one is independent to that one, so as you can see, you've got to have a seal in here to stop the oil coming out. Very, very important. Okay, and always use James, very good gaskets. This particular one, this kit here is a transmission seal kit, so you actually get your quad seal, this little thing which goes on there, and you'll get this as well. Now we use this MPZ before we actually put this together. It's an assembly lube, very, very good. Arguably some wouldn't, but I do. I've never had a problem ever. All these will slide on real easy if you use MPZ. It's fantastic stuff made by Torco. And then basically once that's done, we can put the pulley on, put the nut on. We're going to change the seal behind here as well. This was leaking as well. But if you want to go the whole hog, we do Bagger transmissions. This particular tranny here is an OD6. That means overdrive 6 in my bagger. This is like a 5-speed, like Kev's bagger there. I've also got the +1 sump, so this means you've got an extra 1 litre of or quart of oil. Okay, as you can see, the sump's quite a lot bigger. Keeps your bagger cool, because let's face it, big motor, you got all that heat and engine oil coming in here, but this is a massively upgraded version. It really does work. I've used this. I had a twin cam engine in this, so I'm just rebuilding the smooth, and we're going to stick a turbo on it, Aerodyne, and then you watch this space. This thing should be about 300 horsepower when it's done. But if you're interested in any performance upgrades, whatever you're interested in, especially baggers or spews, S&S, this particular motor is an S&S motor, as you can see. This is in Kev's bagger. Hopefully you can keep up with me now. But let's see. Okay, my spews 120, 104 is almost as powerful as this. But I've got to admit, I do love these S&S motors, decompressors, because they're high compression. But if you're interested in any parts for your wings or glides or your soft tails or any Harley, give us a bell. 01773835666, alternatively customcruisers.com. Thank you.